Wow, Chevre, Geba kick of days. This is a typical Sheva Brachos in City Café. Mendy, Wustenayes. Wow, you pulled off a Sheva Brachos amenity over here. I didn't even know you do Sheva Brachos, and I'm so happy you called me down here because there is limited halls in Borough Park for Sheva Brachos. There's so many Sheva Brachos in a week, and people always ask me, Chaim, can you tell me more halls, new halls that opened up in Borough Park that do Sheva Brachos? Now City Café offers Sheva Brachos, and that's why we're here. Mendy, good morning.
Good morning, Chaim. Welcome to the new City Café. And
look at this table, guys. This isn't just a regular Sheva Brachos. This is a high-end, gorgeous Sheva Brachos done by City Café. This is how it looks, the table. And this is just the appetizer.
This is just the appetizer. So let me just go through it. So you're going to get a little nice, vibrant, colorful kani salad. Okay.
Ooh.
Fresh home-baked sourdough challah.
You make everything in-house?
I make everything here. Yes, we make sourdough here. These are home-baked challahs.
Nice.
Okay. And then for the center, that's shareable. So first of all, we have our beautiful display that have already gotten compliments that it's not very high. You can talk to the person across
I love that.
the other side of the table. So this was all thought out. This was all done with a cheshbon, as they say. Just to give you an idea, so you get the salad, you get the rice arancini.
It looks great. It looks amazing.
You get the potato gnocchi.
It's like a ganache, like a ganache.
The potato gnocchi. Okay, with some garlic chips on top. Just have the cauliflower. And then we have mozzarella sticks.
Wow, so this is the Sheva Brachos table, and look at the space, Chevre. They have a beautiful ambience, rich space. And now for men, how many couples can you hold?
I start at 20 couples, and I can hold comfortably 26 couples, plus additional 8 children on each side.
Wow.
I have room for another 8 children as well.
So 1 minute, we're holding that before Chanukah.
Yes.
You still have any dates available for Chanukah?
I do have a few dates left, yes.
Chevre,
if anybody wants to book?
Book your Chanukah party now, because this is going to fly out. Chevre, wow. Mendy, you got a triple plus A in just the design, the food.
Thank you.
All right, so this is the Sheva Brachos in events. Oh wow, the lights go on. Also, look at this. You just changed the whole table with these lighting over here. Chevre, wow. Man, now let's move on to the typical day, breakfast, lunch.
Sure.
What do you have for that?
Well, let's carry you through it. So I have some setup stuff over here. So our typical breakfasts are not so typical anymore. So we offer a variety of open-faced toasts. So obviously we have the avocado toast, which is very popular, okay? But we have some interesting stuff. So we have over here, this is the ricotta, walnut, and honey.
What is it? Ricotta, walnut?
Ricotta cheese, walnut, and honey.
Andy, this actually looks good.
Okay.
This actually looks delicious.
And this one is a feta with roasted beets and a balsamic glaze.
Wow, balsamic glaze, roasted. Nothing here is typical.
Nothing here is typical. Okay.
Wow, when you say that, you mean it.
Then we have our Chanukah, which I've been told is quite good.
Quite good. I like the way you put it, okay.
And this one is actually a tribute to the old donut man. If anybody remembers the triple-decker club grilled cheese sandwich.
The old donut man on 30th Avenue.
Yes.
He used to make these triple...
I didn't want to just do a standard grilled cheese. We went for the triple-decker.
So that's triple-decker grilled cheese.
Sourdough bread made here in-house.
Wow. Have a look at this triple cheese, grilled cheese. Look at this ooze. Toasted bread. Wow. Beautiful.
All right. Then for a typical lunch, we have some of our fish dishes. So this is a bronzino with the spaghetti squash noodles and roasted tomatoes with a sauteed spinach on the side.
Mm-hmm.
This one is a maple Dijon salmon with sauteed vegetables and quinoa. Then we have, this is actually our most popular salad now. This is called the Autumn Glow salad. This is by far has become the most popular salad. Okay, here's our fettuccine. We also offer penne.
I like the way you plated also. Very, very pretty plated.
We also started doing corporate catering. So we have some platters made up for you here. So just to give you an idea, this is a penne pasta platter that we do. This is a beautiful salad. This is the beet and citrus salad, which is also quite popular. Very vibrant, colorful.
It looks great. It looks great.
Okay,
I mean, I've seen
branded
these platters
packaging
all over, but this is something else. No, really. The way you package it, the way you box it, the way you plate it. So corporate events, that means you could either make an event here in City Café.
Well, we do Sheva Brachos, but we also do corporate.
And you do corporate events, bring it to your office, set up a nice party in somebody's office.
You have a meeting in your office, we offer, and we do pull it off really quickly.
Look at that, the boxes.
Additionally, one of our specialties, let me bring you over here. This is our specialties. So this is our home-baked sourdough focaccias.
Wow, look at that. That's a you have a special oven for that?
Yes, we do. We have a brick oven.
Really?
A brick oven over here. Yes.
So you make it in a brick oven.
And this is a brick oven. So let me give you a little tour over here. So this is the margarita, which is a standard margarita pizza. This is something very unique. This is, it's with a white bean pesto, broccoli, roasted tomatoes, and pine nuts. Okay, this is a very interesting, very unique, very flavorful. Okay.
Wow, and it comes in a box.
As you can see, we also created these very beautiful boxes, and then we have our final one, which is what we call. This is called the sweet heat. This is
good.
Roasted sweet potato.
Look at this good.
Feta cheese, maple honey glaze.
Wow. So I love the way you box it. So someone wants to give somebody a gift, send over. Wow.
Same with this, along with a beautiful drink. We make these delicious frappes.
Kick of these fraps. Look at these fraps over here. It talks to you. It's telling me, take me home. Drink me. Mach een heilige brug of me.
Please.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow. Let me see your brick oven. I never saw that, a real brick oven. Wow, so Chevra, this is in the brick oven. Real brick, real focaccia. This is how you do it, huh?
This is how we do it. Here we go.
Look at that, look at that, look at that bubbling over there. Look at that focaccia coming out here. Awesome, wow. Mandy, you got it.
Thank you so much.
This is amazing. I always tell my followers, don't trust me, come in yourself, taste it yourself. But you could trust me that it's amazing, but I want you to come yourself and taste it. This is just something else. This is something else, Mandy.
Thank you.
Corporate events, reach out, get your boxes delivered to your Chanukah event, for any event, for a siyum, for a lunch.
Order for your house, for the Chanukah house
For
parties.
Chanukah parties, or just for a nice, you want to have a nice, delicious salad. This is something else here at City Café. I want to do a Perlowitz promotion. How about, those drinks looked amazing, those fraps. How about we do, come in for, of course, a purchase. You buy something here, you get a frappe on the house.
That sounds good for Chanukah, yes, absolutely.
Yeah, Chevra, you heard that? From now till after Chanukah, order something here to eat and get a free frappe on the house. Mention Perlowitz. I love that, Mandy. But let's wrap it up with a phone number to reach out to you, to make an event here, or to just make an order. What's the phone number?
Phone number here is 929-234-6536. You can also visit our website. We have photos of everything, all our food on our website. It's citycafekosher.com.
Citycafekosher.com. Chevra, you've seen it all. Not all. You've seen most of it. There's still a lot more.
There's still plenty.
Andy, you pulled it off. You told me, Chaim, come over and see what I have. I didn't believe you pulled this off.
Thank you so much. I really
Have a
appreciate
great,
it.
amazing day. We didn't say where it's located. Everybody knows City Café located 18th Avenue, 50th Street by the bus stop over here. Everybody knows where it's located over here in the corner of 18th and 50th. Famous, iconic street corner in Borough Park. Chevra,